Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can watch Peacock on Xfinity in 2026 and whether or not it is a possible thing to do. So first of all, you need to understand one thing. Peacock is no longer free for all the Xfinity users like it used to be before. So now most of the users need a separate Peacock subscription unless you qualify for a specific offer or bundle. So if you have certain Xfinity plans or promotions, you may still get Peacock Premium included or discounted. So you can check this directly in your account settings. If you are using an Xfinity Flex or X1 box, you just have to press the voice remote button and then you need to simply say Peacock. So when you do this, you can also find it inside the app section. So once you open it, simply go ahead and sign in into your Peacock account. Now, if you don't have one, you can also create it directly on the screen or from your phone. So when you log in, you are going to get access to the live channels and supports movies and TV shows, original content from Peacock as well. So everything will be streamed directly through the Xfinity devices. So the quick tip that I'm going to give you here is that if Peacock is not opening or if it is missing, you just have to simply restart your Xfinity box and check for the system updates. Also make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.